What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I get into the video on updating you how my 3 trades from last night went, check the link below. You can follow my trades and my portfolio in real time down to how much I have in the portfolio. I just want to have full disclosure on this channel. Actually, I have 3 streams of income. This is just one of them. If you like that I am being so transparent, smash that like button. And be sure not to miss a video. So hit that subscribe button, click the bell notification, and every time I post, you will be the first one, well, one of the first ones to know. I'm gonna show everything that I do on this channel. Hopefully, I will keep making money. If you check the link, you can see that I've turned 50,000 into 60,000 in just 1 month. The realized profit is actually more than that, but a lot of my trades are down right now. So I actually am up to 69,000. That's including interest. Without interest, it would be actually 70,000. Anyways, let's get into this evening's video on the update of my 3 trades from last night. So first, I'm gonna screen record my phone and share the contents of this while I explain kind of what went on today. It was a really nasty day. I'm heavily into the USD and heavily against the New Zealand dollar, which was not good today. I woke up and my account was down to $58,000. As you can see on my screen down here, I'll put it up either left or right. This is what it's up to 59.5 right now, which is good. It's going back up. But let me just show you New Zealand. It was crazy today. And not just today. It's been on an upward trend for days now. And it's just, it blows my mind. So you can see New Zealand US dollar. It's been going up since November the 1st. So all month, it only had 2 down days. So I figured it would be a safe time to bet against it. Boy, was I wrong. Let's see another New Zealand, Japan. That's not as impressive. New Zealand, Canada. Wow, look at that one. That one pretty much since, okay, still November 2nd, it only had 1 down day. And there's a resistance point here that it blew past. If I'm thinking of the right currency pair, yeah, right there, look at that. That is the weekly chart. The daily chart. See, at around 0.678 or 0.68, that was a previous area of resistance. It blew past that, kind of came down a bit on the 4th day that it was past it. And so, you know, over a week above this resistance bar, I think I can probably delete this because there's going to be a new resistance area. So I thought it would be safe to go against New Zealand. And I mean, it's safe to say I did not take profit on my 2 New Zealand shorts. So I actually went long on Great Britain, New Zealand and long on Europe, New Zealand. And if I show you that, it is quite painful to see. Last night they actually both started in the green and now they are both in the red. So you can see that that is so sad. I went in pretty much at the top of that candlestick from yesterday. And yeah, it's pretty low below that. And in a minute, I'll show you how much money that converts to in my case. And then Europe, New Zealand is also down quite a bit, about the same amount. So now if I go to my trades and go to Europe, New Zealand. Okay, so there's 3 of them. And that's another reason that it kind of hurts because they're all working against me now. $257. Oh, that is a lot of money to be down. What about Great Britain, New Zealand? We are down $218. That's almost $500. That was a big costly mistake. Now, I'm sure it will bounce back, but that just ties up some money that I can't use to make other trades. So it's a real bummer. Let's look at the good trade. So Canada, Japan, if we go to the charts again, let's take a look at last night's trade on Canada, Japan. I went long, I believe. Actually, let's go look at the portfolio activity. And if I scroll down all the way to the interest charge last night, you can see Canada, Japan, it filled. It was a long, so all three were long yesterday, and this one actually hit the take profit mark. So I made quite a bit of dollars there. I made 200 bucks there. And if it keeps scrolling, I actually upped the take profit on the Europe Canada. It had some momentum, so instead of 100 bucks, I upped it to 140 bucks, and it hit it. I was very pleased with that. And anyways, let's just keep going here, because that's not what you wanted to see. It's in the 90s. There it is, Canada, Japan. Took profit $93, so I'm pretty happy with that. That is great. The ones that you see that are quite a bit below 100 bucks, so like 39.15, there's another couple down here. Those are trades that I kind of chickened out of because they were very volatile, and at one point they were in the 60s, like dollars wise of profit, and they kept going up and down. So I just kind of went out of them while they were still in the green because it wasn't really showing one direction or another. And Canada, Japan, I like it. I still like it. And that's the one trade I took tonight. You can see right there, it's a buy again. And if I go to Canada, Japan, you can see the chart here. So I went in pretty close to the bottom of that mini candlestick because I have my reset time for 6 o'clock my time, which is 5 o'clock Eastern time. I just like starting the day at that time. That may change in the future, but as you can see, it's at an all-time low right now. It's usually above this area. So that's why I feel comfortable going long, because even if it goes down for a few days, even a few weeks, I'm pretty confident it will bounce back up. But it had 2 days in a row with red candlesticks, so I'm pretty sure that it'll take profit again. Even if it goes down, I'm pretty sure it'll go up and down enough that it'll hit that take profit. Not going into any more trades tonight, not right away anyways. I'll let you know tomorrow if I ended up taking any more trades, but right now I just want my account to go above the 60,000 mark again. In the morning, I'll have a better picture of where some of these pairs are going, so I'm not going to jump into any pairs tonight, but I just wanted to update you on yesterday's 3 trades that I was not certain on. I'm down 500 bucks with 2 of the trades, up 100 bucks with 1, so that's a total of negative 400. But even with that, I made about 500 bucks today, even including the interest. So all in all, good day today. I just have to get rid of some of that drawdown. So again, if you like this content, hit the like button. If you don't, hit that dislike button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're doing. If you're doing stocks, if you're doing Forex, if you're doing neither and you're just considering Forex. Hit me up in the comment section and I respond to every comment. So I'll talk to you soon. Until tomorrow. Cheers. Peace. I'm such a tool.